technology. It's what you do with it. That's what really impresses us. Makes us laugh out loud. Or wonder, how do they do that? Hamster-powered phone charger. Genius. The Nokia N8. What will you do with it?